Now look what you've made me do.
Marcy!
No, she managed to open the portal. I still have the box. So, what about you two? Are you with me?
We're with you.
Definitely with you.
Good. Get her to a rejuvenation tank and make it snappy. She's fading fast.
So what's the plan, Captain?
I'm gonna have to toss you out the window.
The window?
Anne, Marcy, please be all right.
Why are you two here?
Is it just me, or is the palace flying?
Where are the planters? Where's Anne? What do we tell them?
Not the truth, that's for sure. People of Wartwood, we have terrible news. The king has turned out to be a ruthless tyrant of unspeakable power.
Well, I never voted for him.
Anne and the planters had to go on a daring mission, but they sent us to protect you fine frogs in the meantime. Right, Sasha?
Somebody!
Okay, we'll lay low here, and then in a day or two, we'll ditch this crummy town. Dibs on Hop Pop's bed. You gonna come in, or just stand there and be weird?
I think I'll sleep in the barn.
Now that is a big potato.
Oh, a tiny snail. And a bigger snail. Well, don't mind me. I'm gonna go sleep in the corner with the rest of the trash. It's all someone like me deserves. Who is it? Where am I? Of course this is my natural hair color.
Rise and shine, I made worm waffles.
I'm not hungry.
Look, I get you feel guilty about tricking your friends and inadvertently helping the king get the music box, but you've got to get a hold of yourself.
Yoo-hoo!
Oh no.
Ha! Any friend of Anne's is a friend of mine.
That's touching. Look, I gotta go.
Yes, she's taught me many lessons, showing me the importance of honesty, being true to yourself, the meaning of friendship. I've been working on a song about it.
No, can't right now. Very busy protecting the town for Anne and stuff. Ugh. I swear, if one more country bumpkin...
Free bread, anyone?
Ah! Get away from me!
Don't want the extra carbs, eh? I get it.
Great news! I got a message from Beatrix. She's hiding underground with the toads that avoided capture. We've got to join her.
Why? So we can come up with another cruddy plan that fails and ends up hurting the people we love?
No need to be a downer. You want another strawberry, little guy? Yes, you do.
Look, I don't know. Maybe we're doing this all wrong. Look, just take the muffins or cake or whatever else you... Oh.
Double! What we can do! You are next to me and I'm next to you!
Let's pack up. We're getting out of here.
What? We can't leave these frogs to face them on their own?
Listen, Lieutenant. Whatever you're dealing with, you need to confront it. Go into that house, face what burdens you, and when you've got your head back on straight, come join me. Please.
Oh, Anne. I want to be someone better. Someone that deserves you. I know what I have to do. I called you all here to tell you that
I'm gay.
I'm lesbian.
I'm gonna do the right thing for once in my life. I'm gonna defend this town.
Whoa, Nelly!
Present!
Shut up, Nelly.
Only one? Honestly, that doesn't seem that bad. Of course.
got to thinking. Beatrix may have weapons and soldiers, but you know what she doesn't have? You, Lieutenant.
Crimsy! You
no,
big
get off me.
softy.
30 against 2, eh?
Hardly a fair fight.
Die, robot scum! Good boy.
What the? No way! The townspeople?
By Beryl's belly! It's deadlier than any soldier!
Right!
Way ahead of you!
I think you're enjoying this too much.